how to play music in Discord Mobile. So if you want to play music in Discord Mobile, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Discord application. After opening your Discord, now you just need simply go with a channel, a general channel. Once you're on your channel, make sure that you have added a green bot to your Discord channel. Once you have your green bot, now you need to go with the message bar, and here you need to enter stash lay, and you'll have the query. You need to give it a space, and here you need to enter the song name. Enter the track that you would like to play. Like for example, I'll go with play date and then hit the enter, and just go and join a voice channel. So you must be connected to a voice channel on the server to use this command. So first you need to go and connect to a voice channel. So go back, and then here you will have your voice channels. You need to just tap on it, tap on join voice. And once you join the voice, you need to go with the same interface, which is slash play, and then hit the song name. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to play music in your Discord mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.